This is Dr. Shalini Lamba, Head of the Department of Computer Science. It was established in the year 2005 with excellent infrastructure and well-equipped labs. We work with the vision of shaping the future of IT professionals. We run 2 programs, Bachelor of Computer Application and BSc Computer Science.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अमिताभा, हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर नेशनल पीजी कॉलेज लखनऊ। नेशनल पीजी कॉलेज में डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर 2014 में इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। इसके अंतर्गत बीवॉक इन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एंड ई गवर्नेंस एंड मास्टर्स इन वोकेशन इन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड ई गवर्नेंस चल रहा है। ये दोनों ही प्रोग्राम स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं। ये इसमें मल्टीपल एंट्री एंड एग्जिट फॉलो किया जाता है। मीन्स अगर स्टूडेंट बीवॉक में एडमिशन लेता है, 1 साल करने के बाद ड्रॉप कर देता है, तो उसे हम सर्टिफिकेट इन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एंड ई गवर्नेंस देते हैं। अगर वो 2 साल करने के बाद इस प्रोग्राम को ड्रॉप करता है, तो उसे हम डिप्लोमा इन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एंड ई गवर्नेंस देते हैं। अगर वो 3 साल पूरा कंप्लीट कर लेता है, तो उसे बीवॉक डिग्री अवॉर्ड की जाती है।
Are you fascinated by human brain? Do you want to unveil the secrets of behavior to explore the world in a better manner? So please step into the dynamic world of psychology at National PG College. Under progressive national education policy, our department offers 4-year UG program with 1-year PG program along with the traditional UG and PG programs.
नेशनल पीजी कॉलेज इकोनॉमिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में आपका स्वागत है। इकोनॉमिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में बीए और एमए की कक्षाएं संचालित की जा रही हैं। नेक्स्ट एकेडमिक सेशन 2025-26 में बीए 4th ईयर का प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया जाएगा, जिसमें प्रवेश लेने के लिए बीए 3rd ईयर तक स्टूडेंट के 75% CGPA होना आवश्यक है।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sugandha Shrivastava from the Department of English. From the inception of the college, Department of English has been running classes in the bachelor's program, and currently we have a bachelor's as well as a master's program where we offer both 4-year and 1-year UG PG program along with the traditional 3-year and 2-year UG PG program.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Vikas Singh, Head Department of Chemistry, National Postgraduate College, Lucknow. Our department offers 3-year BSc, 4-year BSc and 1-year MSc along with 2-year MSc Chemistry program with special emphasis on theoretical and conceptual training.
We also run certificate courses, advanced diploma in data analytics, certificate in blockchain technology, and certificate in robotics and AI. So the students who study from our department, I think, will benefit a lot because they can digress into various fields. For example, research. They can go into higher education, pursue research, as well as go into the teaching profession, which I think is a very noble and a humble profession.
The Department of Commerce is as old as the college, National PG College itself. So we started our journey in 1974 with the installation of BCom course. In 2000, we introduced MCom, and in 2008-09, we introduced BCom Honors. Other than these 3 conventional courses, certificate course in GST and taxation, certificate course in digital marketing, certificate course in financial inclusiveness, which is related to the stock market and the market reviews.
National PG College is the only autonomous college of the city of Lucknow. It's a renowned college, as all of you know. We are a NAC A-grade institution, and we've also received CPE, a laurel that the UGC bestows, which is College with Potential for Excellence. University Grants Commission in the year 2014 also gave us the DUKK, which is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra. I represent the Banking and Finance program of DDUKK. We run basically 2 programs. One is BVOC in Banking and Finance, other is MVOC, Masters in Banking and Finance. The program basically prepares you for skill development in these 2 sectors.
Hello everyone, welcome to Department of Geography at National PG College. Department of Geography offers undergraduate program, postgraduate program, 1-year PG diploma in remote sensing GIS and a PhD program. From this current academic session, 4-year undergraduate program with 1-year postgraduate program. Department of Geography is going to begin MSc in Geoinformatics from this current academic session. This will provide lucrative job opportunities in various fields like GIS analysis, GIS developer, GIS technician, and GIS professional. The current salary package in India is 1.3 lakh per annum to 7.8 lakh per annum.
Journalism and Mass Communication program started in the year 2021 at National PG College. Being an autonomous college, we have had the freedom to design our own syllabus. That is perhaps one of the reasons I think why we have the perfect amalgamation of theory and practical subjects. So whether it is field reporting, making short films or documentaries, audio production, or organizing events, you name it, and we have it on our table.